In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sold out in Shopify tutorial. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open Online Store. This takes you to your theme area, where your storefront's look and feel is controlled. Use the highlighted option you see on screen to open a live preview of your store in a new tab. Keeping that preview handy makes it easy to confirm our changes later. Now head back to the admin and open Products from the sidebar. From there, choose Inventory. This is where Shopify tracks how many units are available to sell, and it's exactly what most themes use to decide whether to show a sold out badge or disable the buy button. If the available quantity is 0, the storefront will say, sold out. Our goal is to update that number to a positive value. On the inventory page, make sure you're viewing the correct location if you use multiple locations. Online availability is location-specific, so adjust the same location that fulfills your online orders. Next, find the product or variant that appears as sold out on your storefront. Click the highlighted quantity cell you see on screen. Use the highlighted controls to set the quantity to a number greater than 0. If you have variants, repeat this for each variant that needs stock. You'll see a few highlighted prompts and fields along the way. Just follow those on screen to confirm the adjustment. If you're choosing between Add or Set, setting the quantity directly to the number you actually have is usually the clearest approach. Once your quantities look correct, click the highlighted Save button at the top. Give Shopify a moment to process the change. Saving locks in the new inventory values and is what triggers the storefront to update. Return to your admin home using the highlighted navigation, then switch to your Storefront Preview tab, or use the highlighted link to view your store. Refresh the page. Navigate to the exact product you just updated. You should no longer see a sold out message. The Add to Cart and Buy It Now buttons should be active. Go ahead and click Buy It Now to confirm the button is enabled and the product can proceed to checkout. If you still see sold out, try refreshing again after a few seconds and make sure you updated the correct variant and location. Remember, as soon as the available quantity is above 0, most themes automatically remove the sold out label. That's it. Your product is back in stock and ready to sell.